Hello friends, till now we have learnt how to make the AP series from given conditions or to find the relationship among the terms when some AP series is given. Now let us proceed further with some brain teasing sums. It is example 14. Find the middle term of the AP 6, 13, 20 and so on up to 216. We are given a number of terms in the given AP series, but we don't know how many terms these are and then which term is the middle one. Let's try to find out the solution. The given AP is 6, 13, 20 and so on up to 216. Here clearly it is seen that first term is 6, A is 6 and common difference as we have already done, second term minus first term. Second term 13 minus first term 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. Our common difference D is 7. Also the last term AN is 216. But we don't know the serial number of 216 means which term is this. So it is N, that is we have to find out. And we are familiar with the general term formula, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We substitute the given values in the general term formula like this: AN 216, A 6, N we don't know, so we will write it as it is, N minus 1 inside the bracket, and D 7. We have put the values that we were having with us. Now opening up the brackets, 7 multiplied by N, 7N, 7 multiply 1, 7. Our question becomes 216 is equal to 6 plus 7N minus 7 plus 6 minus 7 gives minus 1, that goes to the other side towards 216 and becomes plus 1, and 216 plus 1 is 217. We have 217 equal to 7N. From here N is 217 upon 7, and after cancellation we have 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7. N is 31. And what was N? N was the number of terms. So in our given AP series, the number of terms is 31, means 216 is 31st term. And from the 31 terms, which term will be the middle one? For that we have again a formula, N plus 1 upon 2 means 31 plus 1 upon 2, that is 32 by 2, it is 16th term. Means we leave 15 terms from the beginning, 15 terms from the ending, total 15 and 15 30, and the middle term will be the 16th term. And the question was to find out the middle term. So we will calculate the 16th term. Which term will be the 16th term, the middle term? For that also again we are using the same formula, that is for the general term. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A is 6, N is now 16 and D is 7. We have 6 plus 16 minus 1 bracket into 7. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into 7, 105. So question becomes 6 plus 105, that is 111. So we have found the middle term using the given sequence. And we can say that 111 is the middle term of 6, 13, 20 and so on up to 216, the sequence having total 31 terms. Now let us proceed further towards the next example. The sum of three numbers in AP is 12 and the sum of their cubes is 288. Find the numbers. So in the given question, three numbers are in AP. The numbers are not given, but their sum is given and the sum of their cubes is also given. We have to find the numbers. Let us see the solution. We have to suppose the three numbers. Let the three numbers in AP be A minus D, a plus d. The choice of three numbers that we have to be careful. It is a minus d, a plus d. We check their common difference at each step is d. Then given these three numbers have the sum 12, means a minus d plus a plus d all added equal to 12. Minus d and plus d get cancelled. A 3a is equal to 12. From here a is 12 by 3 equal to 4. So we have found the value of a. Also from the other given condition, the sum of cubes means a minus d cube plus a cube plus a plus d cube, and here a is 4. So we write 4 minus d cube plus 4 cube plus 4 plus d cube is equal to 288. Now the cubes in the brackets can be opened using the formula of a minus b whole cube and a plus b whole cube. So the first term will be 4 minus d whole cube as a cube 64 minus 3a square b gives minus 48d, then plus 3ab square, that is 12d square, and last term is minus d cube, that is minus b cube. We have opened the first bracket using the formula. Next is 4 cube, that is equal to 64, and finally the last bracket 4 plus d whole cube, it will also be same using the identity and give a cube as 64, 3a square b 48d, 3ab square 12d square, and d cube plus d cube. In this way we have solved the left hand side, and the right hand side is 288. The minus terms get cancelled with plus terms, and we left with 24d square plus 192 is equal to 288. From here 192 goes to the other side, gives 24d square equal to 288 minus 192. Subtraction gives 96. D square equal to 96 by 24, that is 4 after cancellation. D square is 4. D can be either plus 2 or minus 2. We have a 4 plus 2 gives 6 minus 2 gives 2. Therefore, the three numbers of AP will be 2, 4, 6. In this way, we have calculated the three numbers. So friends, hope you understand all this. If you have any queries, please ask to us by writing in our comment box. That is all for today. Practice more, work hard, and stay healthy. Bye bye.